Oh, we're out, we're out.
No, we're out. So good. After Kelly, we're out. Whoa! I'll protect you. Oh my god. Oh, it's coming back.
This would be a good time to open the doors.
Yeah, open the door. Not you crafty. You will when he gets round, man. Oh my god.
Pasture off.